Hello children, our next topic is determining the square root of a number. So, we have to find the square root of a number. Determining the square root of a number, finding the square root of a number. So, finding the square root of a number means finding the number with the given square, finding the number with the non-square, that is known as finding the square root. Now, here we have three methods. Now, first one is the repeated subtraction method. First method is repeated subtraction method. Second method, the prime factorization method, and the third method is the division method. Okay, there are three methods in order to find the square root of a number. First one, the repeated subtraction method. Second one, the prime factorization method, and the third one is the division method. Today we will look into the first method, the repeated subtraction method. Do you remember the repeated subtraction method? We used that method in order to check whether the given number is a perfect square, right? So, the same method we are applying here. So, we can apply the concept. Which concept we have to think about that time? So, every square number or every perfect square can be expressed as the sum of consecutive odd numbers starting from 1. Okay. So, every square number can be expressed as a sum of consecutive odd numbers or sum of successive odd numbers starting from 1. So, we can write every square number as the sum of successive odd numbers starting from 1. And when we apply that method, that is known as the repeated subtraction method. Okay. So, what we have to do? We have to subtract 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. the odd numbers from the given number. Now, look at the question. Find square root of 25 by repeated subtraction method. Now, we have to subtract 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. from the given number. Okay. So, 25, first odd number is 1, 25 minus 1 equal to 24. Then again 24 minus next odd number 3 equal to 21. Then 21 minus next odd number is 5. 21 minus 5 equal to 16. Then 16 minus 7 equal to 9. Then next one, 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Now, here we can say that 25 is a square number. Here we want to find the square root. 25 is the square of which number? Now, here we will write it as a step 1. Okay, step 1, and this one is step 2, second step, then third step, step 3, then step 4, then next one is step 5. Now, we can see that at the fifth step we got the remainder of 0. Okay, at the fifth step we got 0. So, you want to look into in which step you are getting 0. Therefore, here we got 0 at the fifth step. Therefore, square root of 25 equal to 5. Square root of 25 equal to 5. So, successively subtract the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 from the given number, and you have to look at which step you are getting 0, and that will be the square root of the given number. Okay. Now, we will consider the next example. You have to find the square root of 81 using repeated subtraction method. Now, what we have to do? We have to subtract the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 from the given number. Then first 81 minus 1, first odd number 80. Then 80 minus, you have to take 80, 80 minus the next odd number is 3, which is equal to 77. Then 77 minus next odd number 5 equal to 72. Then 72 minus next odd number 7 equal to 65. Then 65 minus 9 equal to 56. Then 56 minus, after 9 the odd number is 11. So 56 minus 11 equal to 45. Then 45 minus 13 equal to next odd number. 13 equal to 32. Then 32 minus next odd number is 15 equal to, what you will get? 70. Okay. Then after 15, which odd number? 17. So 17 minus 17 equal to 0. So you have to subtract the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, etc. from the given number. You have to successively subtract. Now here we can take it as a step 1. Okay. Then step 2, second step. Then step 3. This one is step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8 and step 9. At which step you got 0? You got 0 at 9th step. Therefore, square root of 81 equal to 9. You got 0 at 9th step. Therefore, square root of 81 equal to 9. Now one more we can do. Find square root of 49 by repeated subtraction method. So we want to subtract the odd numbers. So first we want to subtract 1. 49 minus 1, 48. Then 48 minus the next odd number 3, 45. Then 45 minus 5 equal to 40. Then 40 minus next odd number 7 equal to 33. Then 33 minus next odd number 9 equal to 24. Then 24 minus next odd number is 11 equal to, what you will get? 13. Then 13 minus 13 equal to, after 11 next odd number is 13. So 13 minus 13 equal to 0. Now we have to count the step. This is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6 and step 7. So at which step you got 0? At 7th step. Therefore, we can write square root of 49 equal to 7. So what we have to do in this method? We want to subtract the odd numbers starting from 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and you have to look into at which step you are getting 0 and that will be the number. You have to look at the number of that step and that will be the square root of the given number. Homework exercise 6.3 question number 3. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.